On the occasion of World Press Freedom Day, journalists and media organizations raised serious concerns over the declining state of press freedom and the safety of media professionals in India and across the world. The discussion took place at a panel event organized by the Indian Women's Press Corps, focusing on the theme Safeguarding Press Freedom Amidst Global Upheaval. The event was held on Sunday and brought together senior media representatives and experts. Key speakers included Press Association President C.K. Nayak, Editors Guild of India General Secretary Raghavan Srinivasan, and Foreign Correspondents Club of South Asia President Wael Awadh, also with other journalists and stakeholders. The panel highlighted concerns over press freedom, especially in the context of a recent report by Reporters Without Borders, which showed India slipping to 157th position among 180 countries in the 2026 World Press Freedom Index. Speakers noted multiple challenges facing the media landscape. Wael Awadh warned that attacks on journalists have become deliberate, describing them as part of a systematic attempt to suppress the truth, citing incidents such as targeted killings in Gaza. Raghavan Srinivasan pointed to structural issues including ownership bias and editorial pressure, stating that several troubling trends have become normalized. C.K. Nayak also stressed internal challenges within the media fraternity, saying journalists must address their lack of unity. IWPC President Sujata Raghavan emphasized the need to build a stronger and safer environment for journalism. The discussion collectively underscored growing global concerns over media freedom, journalist safety, and institutional pressures affecting independent reporting. So, viewers, what more needs to be done to protect press freedom and ensure journalists can report without fear? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.